Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have 2 flip throughs on travel journals. I have 3 more travel journals, but this will just get us started. On these 2, I put a ribbon on each of them. This one says vacation, this one says travel. I'm not good at bows, so you can see on this one, I didn't even try it. That's probably how I'd do it if it was mine. The envelopes that are on the front, I just did that because I didn't want to untie them, and I found them later and thought, oh, those are fun. So let's take a look at this one. This one I'm going to call the floral one. Same deal. Leave me a comment down below if you want to pick up this journal. It's $26 in the US, all in, shipped. My members get first crack, so they will see these before this video comes out, so it's possible that sometimes journals are claimed. Okay, so in here we've got some fun embellishments. You know, I save all this stuff from Happy Mail, and as I was cleaning up, I found things and thought, oh, that would look nice with here. So this one is sewed with embroidery floss that matches, has the red. The red isn't exact, but I just love the ribbon so much, I put it on there. Go where you feel the most alive. And I have a piece of paper that says Aloha from Hawaii. It's thin, but it's adorable. And then a fun pattern here with an envelope and a llama and a airplane paper so you can write on the back of it. And I've stamped right there. And this is a pocket that also has this little card and sticker so you can write on it. Let's go on a road trip to someplace new. I tried to not make them too specific, right? So you could pull out the road trip thing, or, you know, you could change up whatever you wanted. My life traveling, and that flips up. This is so incredible, and I've got some stickers and a card in here that says sweet. When you open your heart to new experiences and allow your journey to be uncharted, you will see your life in a whole new light. And then a fun postcard, and you can write on the back of that, one of the best days, unforgettable, a favorite, the journey of our lifetime, and it starts now, and the date. You can write it in there. Pack your bags. Lots of room to write. A pocket for ephemera and a card. My favorite thing is to go someplace I've never been. This is fun because it has like a bunch of old hotel keys. I'm not sure when the last time I saw one like that was. To travel, hopefully, is a better thing than to arrive. Delightful. Lots of florals. This was a really interesting paper collection. Really interesting for me to purchase too, huh? And so this journey begins. Floral and a bunch of floral, and then I have stuff in the pocket. The journey of our lifetime. You can write all about it. You are here, and there's a little postcard ephemera right there. And then here, it's like one of those boards that you put photos on as your pocket to write on. This paper is fun. It was too funny, feeling incredibly pampered right now. This is the life. Favorite parts were, this paper was tricky to use for a journal because it had big images, but I wanted this, and I saved your face. Journaling card to write on. Our traveling experiences, tried new foods, stayed up late, relaxed. I'm not going to read it all to you. In a nutshell, check out this sunset, and you can journal on the back of that. Inside each of us is a little adventure. Dream big. This is a metal tag that says travel, and I glued that on. A strip of the ephemera from this paper collection, just as a long thing to hold stuff. Smile big. There's journaling cards in there. I love this paper with old keys. I put a little floral thing right there. This paper has names of a bunch of cities, and then you have memories and postcards. All aboard. More travel stickers. This is paper from the collection, and I stamped the postcard on it, and then on the back you have the clouds. And on this one, if you don't have a white or silver pen, you could just write on the front. And then a tip up and a sticker right here. So this one's like super girly. And then a big pocket in the back. In fact, I'm going to put this in the big pocket right now, so it is tucked in there safe. Very, very girly. And I'm going to see what else I have in here. I think this one. There we go. but I love it. I love these ribbons. I think one of you gave me these, and I had them set aside for so long. The travel bin just got ridiculously, I'm not going to try and tie that right now, ridiculously full because I said I was going to make travel journals for so long. This one has this funny green ribbon, which kind of fits in with the llamas because there's a lot of color in here. And my friend Jamie, when she came one time, she made a journal with this llama paper because she just loved it. My tension on my sewing machine was not good. I mean, you're not going to be impressed with my sewing. So it's kind of messy on the outside. Then on the inside, it's orange. Very fun with this paper. This is the same Hawaii paper tucked into this pocket. Then we have a lot of geometric, like graphics, bigger graphics in this one. See the world. You are here. And then I covered it up with a sticker about Paris. You could put anything over it if you didn't want Paris in your journal pocket. My favorite thing is to go someplace I've never been. See, I do have repeat ephemera in the journals because, of course, I had the whole collection. Stickers, a travel collage right here with another metal fun thing that says adventure. A pocket with some ephemera in it. This paper has cool texture. World Traveler. Look, the ribbon. I mean, it was meant to be on this journal. I like this airplane paper too. Take more detours. Lots of travel images in here. And I might put pictures on some of those pages that are really, really busy just to kind of tone them down. I love this paper. Fun times, pink puffy sticker camera. I mean, when you have a puffy sticker camera, it really needs to be in a journal. And lots of places to staple and glue and all sorts of things. See the world, and this is a pocket. And then this is a little pocket too. Let's go. I love these maps in here. You had me at Aloha. And this is a mixed media envelope that's a pocket. Happiness is found in the journey. It's another llama ephemera piece. And then a pocket with this paper in it. So I think these are pretty fun. I like the stitching. I like the fun colors I sewed them in. And I like these ribbon closures. Oh, let's put this, well, do we have a, let's find a place. Okay, here we go. There we go. All right, so Llamas and Floral, 2 travel journals if you're interested. If not, they will go to the craft fair. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll have more again soon. Bye-bye.